Learning WordPress theme development. Today I'm gonna teach you how to put the navigation menus, okay, inside WP theme. Okay, so let's get into code. So this is my theme, okay, folder, and this is the website, official website of WordPress. Okay, and theme development, just search this file functions.php. This file is very important. Inside in your you have to create inside in your theme folder. Just right click new, okay, text, control A, control V, and hit enter, and just drag and drop inside in your code editor. I'm using NetBeans, okay. You can use, so put a PHP tag it here, okay. And functions we will use to register the menu, which is the register underscore nav menu, this function, okay. Just control S, just copy this function and open your browser and type, paste it here, and type theme, 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 development, okay, and hit enter. Just click on the first link, okay. And here are the example how we use that functions. Just this is the function, okay, this is the function, and this is the hook which we have used, okay. Just copy, okay. Just we need to create this function, okay. Inside we need to call this nav register menu, means this function, okay. So this is the R function, and here we have used the hook, okay. What is hook? Don't worry for that, it will show which hook we have to use and which hook we will not have to use, to just read the documentation. So first we need to create this function, okay. Just copy, okay. So we need to register that new menu. So for that you just pay function, put a function, okay, function, and paste it here. So this is the function which is the inbuilt function. So we need to put a R prefix, okay. So just put it your theme name, do fast, okay. You can put anything, GR, AR, PR, okay. And this is our function. You can put also any name, okay. But I am registering the new menu, so I am putting the same name and the prefix, okay. Just control X and paste inside it here, okay. And it tells which hooks we need to use. So this one, this is the hook, just copy, okay, and just paste it here. So this is the after theme setup, okay. This is the hook, okay, and this is the function. So just copy this function and paste it here, okay. And here it takes the argument, okay, array, and hit enter. And primary menu, okay, just primary menu, you can put anything, okay. Primary menu, and name of your menu. So this is the localization functions of the WordPress, okay. And just name of your menu. So this is the primary menu, control S for save. And we need just what the problem, okay, semicolon is not, okay. Control S for save. So this is we have registered the new menus, so we need to show inside a header file. So just open header.php inside in your code editor, it here, okay. It's very simple. And just header.php it here, okay. Put a, sorry, just put php tag, okay, and hit enter. And register the new menu, WP new menu, new menu, okay. And it takes one parameter array, okay. And inside we have to give it a name of menu, and name of your menu. So your name of your menu is commit here, commit here functions.php. This is the menu name, okay. Just you can type any menu name. So this is the primary menu, okay. Just primary, and the next attribute of it, which is the theme location. So theme location is exactly like this one, functions.php. And just copy this name, okay, and just paste it here. So this is the primary menu. Just comma, control S for save. And if you want to drop down of there, so just depth, depth, and depth is 2. Okay, control S for save, and it's done. So now go to your backend it here, and we need to create some pages. So create a new page, which is the home page. Just click it, home, publish, add new, and type services, publish, and new. Put it graphics design, and its parent is services. Okay, publish, and add new, and type web development, web, development, development. Just copy this one and publish, add new. This is for Android development, publish. Okay, and add new, and this is for contact us. Okay, these are the pages we have created it here. So go to all pages. Okay, actually I forgot one thing, the graphics design. Okay, services, Android development, just edit, and its parent is as well services. And also we have web development, edit. Okay, its parent is services, update. Okay, so we all the pages we have created, and go to your appearance menus. Okay, and you just add all the pages it here, add menu. Okay, lots of pages is here. Actually just delete some pages, just remove. Okay, we have a lots of pages, we will edit later, but just you this is the services. So Android development, just drag and drop little bit here. Okay, and home, just actually just delete, remove. Okay, contact us is also remove. Okay, home is also home is still be there, just remove this one. Actually I have created before this things, graphics design remove, web development remove. Okay, so these are the pages, you just put it here and create a menu. This is the anything, you just header menu. Okay, and create menu. Okay, and it's a primary menu automatically added, and save. Okay, and now we need to refresh that file. Okay, so you can see here all the menus is all the links is automatically, when you just add one more link, you just create the pages and add them it here, automatically added to be here. If you wanted to add some CSS, so just open your CSS file it here. Okay, and you just drag and drop inside it here. Okay, and you can write some CSS it here also. So what is its class and what is its ID, says right click. Okay, inspect, and you can see it here, it's ID, and okay, this is the menu item. Okay, and its class of the menu, menu item. Okay, and UL, its class is the menu, and inside have the alias, this one. Okay, just it here. Okay, this is the home, this is for services menu. Okay, you can add some CSS to find the classes of it here, and you just write some CSS. So we will see this one in the next part. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I will come with new thing next time. till then, bye, have a nice day.